All right, guys, today I want to do a quick unboxing and review on my 3-in-1 charging station. Been waiting for this one, been super excited because it's going to save me a lot of space and having to carry so many things around because let me take it out so you can see. But it'll charge my Apple Watch, your AirPods, your iPhone, all on this one charging station. And it is a fast charger as well. So that's what I couldn't wait for. Let's take it all out. Here's your Type-C to plug this all in. Ooh, very nice. It's like very durable. So your watch will go here, the pods will go here, and then the iPhone will go here. Let's go ahead and get it. Let's get it hooked up. See how it works. All right, guys, and it also does come with a charging block for it. So I went ahead and hooked it up. That light will turn blue once it's ready to go. So let's go ahead and put the iPhone on there and bam, look at that. Got it on the fast charger. So let's go ahead and try out the Apple Watch. And there it is as well. This charger is super awesome. So you can see I'm throwing the AirPods. If you're looking for an all-in-one charger, highly recommend this one, 10 out of 10.